Welcome to Spitzer Nissan Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with OnStar and Chevrolet Connect emergency communication system, Chevrolet Infotainment 3 system with AM/FM radio, premium cloth seat trim, front passenger 4-way manual seat adjuster, keyless entry, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 2-way power driver lumbar control, Bluetooth smartphone integration, Chevrolet Infotainment 3 premium audio system, alloy wheels, and has less than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Nissan Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.